Tell me when you're ready.
Rolling.
Okay. So I'm going to show you guys another technique related to the shoulder. Okay, so it's a quick technique. It's completely different from my other videos. So you've had shoulder problems for a little bit. Go ahead and raise the arm up, and how high can you go without it starting to hurt?
Right here.
Okay, so you can do this to either shoulder, okay? Doesn't matter. Now, in the past, I've done videos on the gallbladder. This one's going to be different, okay? And I'm going to show you how to do it, and I'm going to explain why it works. So you're going to lay on your stomach.
Like this?
Yeah. Okay, so the problem is on her right shoulder, right? So we're going to work on the opposite calf right through here. And I'm going to press right into the calf and work all this up through here. Now it's going to be tender on the opposite side, right through here. So we're just going to work on this. I like to work on the Achilles tendon right through here and really just kind of massage this for about, I don't know, 2 hours. No, just kidding. Just about a minute or so. Okay, so we're going to do that right through here. So you're going to work on that. Okay, now sit back up. Okay, so now go ahead and raise the arm up now.
Yeah, feels better.
Better?
Yeah.
Okay.
Much better.
How much better on the scale from 1 to 10? Like?
So let's say it's like a 9.5.
Okay, so
Yeah,
it's like almost 100%.
Yeah.
Okay, awesome. So now why does that work? Because when you walk, this shoulder follows that foot.
Right.
Okay, unless you walk kind of funny. So you go back and forth. The shoulder and feet alternate.
Right.
And there's a connection there between here and here. There's communication lines. They're called nerves. And so you can affect one part of that nervous system and affect the other just with acupressure. So you'd want to work on the opposite calf for the shoulder. Go ahead and try this, guys, if you have someone with shoulder pain. And then put your comments below and tell me how it works. It's a great little technique. Remember, don't do it on the same side, do it on the opposite. And do before range of motion and after. And also, if it doesn't work 100% of the time, then it could be your gallbladder. And I put a link down below of how to do that. All right, thanks for watching. Hey guys, a quick survey question. I want to know what topic you would like me to do a video on. So each week I'm coming up with different types of videos, but I would rather have you tell me what you're interested in. So I put a link down below. Please fill it out.